as a software tester, this is confusing. I'm trying to log in. It's saying my account has been suspended, but it doesn't explain why it's being suspended. Most likely, in my case, I haven't used the account for over 180 days. Most likely it's been suspended due to being inactive for 180 days. So to me, this is a software bug because it should just clearly explain the account has been inactive for 180 days and has been not suspended, but more so disabled or deleted. And the next thing is, how would you be able to reactivate it? There's no easy process. And again, I think TikTok's stance in this case is like, just make a new account or something, which is a bit annoying. But anyways, you can email support and then give them your username. In my case, I didn't know there's no way for me to get my username, and it's kind of ridiculous. They tell you to log in and click near your profile, but it's like I can't do that because I can't even log into my account. So what they'll request is your past username. And so that's the bug I wanted to say about TikTok. It should show disabled or deleted due to inactivity versus just saying suspended. Like, you could be suspended for a lot of things, so it's just not very clear.